Welcome back to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to your favorite crypto show, your weekly show for cryptopreneurs by cryptopreneurs. My name is Paul, and today we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price, what's going on with cryptocurrencies. We're going to talk about how to make money with cryptocurrency and address a few XRP lies just because it's fun, and I love seeing the XRP army scream because they don't understand the difference between being bearish and being bullish, apparently, because we are not bearish on XRP. But if you say anything less than 10,000 there, anyway, I digress. Let's get started. Now, today I'm starting a little bit earlier than usual. I usually start in about 10 minutes from now, but I'm gonna make this live stream shorter for the simple reason that I have to get out of here pretty fast because I am actually buying a motorbike. Don't midlife crisis. I'm actually buying a motorbike, not an expensive motorbike because I want to get most of my investments into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin this year, but I do want to get away. I do want to drive. I do want to go, have the wind blowing in my hair, taking my hair back into the sunset, and basically I'm gonna go see one today. It's a Honda Transalp. It's an old model, but it's an upgraded model with more horsepower. Anyway, we'll talk about it another time or later on in the stream. But yeah, let's talk a little bit about what's going on with Bitcoin, and then I'll address the chat and answer all your questions as usual. Let me just open up Bitcoin real quick here because I did just jump on pretty fast. And Shah, I did see you in the chat, by the way. This video live stream is because you asked me and I said yes, and I don't want to be a liar. I would have canceled, but I'm like, man, I told Shah I'm going to go live, so I am live. So let's see what's happening. So here we see Bitcoin, okay? We see Bitcoin at 30,346. This is becoming amazing support. Like, a lot of people are screaming that we're going down and losing value. This is actually extremely bullish. If we put up the two moving averages, the EMA averages, that would be the 12 and 26. We are just above it. And basically these candlesticks look bullish. Sure, we have resistance here, but the more time we hit resistance, the weaker that resistance gets. So we should be able to break that if we hit another one or two times. Now, of course, this also applies if you keep on going down and you hit the support line. That could break, but I'm pretty bullish. I've been bullish for a while. And the reason I haven't been making videos on price for Bitcoin is, guess what? We're in the same range. We are in the same range. We are bullish. Nothing has changed. I know channels like making videos out there telling you this is going on today, tomorrow's doing this, and they get you all crazy and emotional, but it doesn't matter because we are still in the same range. Nothing has changed. Nothing. Okay? So, yes, I understand why they do this, to get views. I'm thinking about doing it myself, but whenever I want to do it, I keep on saying to myself, when am I going to say this different? It's going to be a very short video. Like, we're the same range. That's it. Everything I said last week applies, or everything I said yesterday applies. It doesn't make a difference. So that's why I'm not making many Bitcoin videos, but I'll try and make some more as soon as I see some changes. I also have a couple of videos coming out this week that are extraordinary, okay? Let me just check the title. I haven't even made the titles yet, to be quite honest with you. But basically, I have two videos coming out this week. Three, as a matter of fact. I've got a couple of shorts coming out as well. So you're going to see a lot of videos from this channel this week. But I have a couple of videos. One is about XRP because of the views. Because, we're in it for the views. Apparently, this is weird for people that I'm on YouTube for views. I'm actually on YouTube for the anonymity. I don't want anybody to watch these videos. But anyway, it's a long video addressing XRP, man-to-man talk, or man-to-woman if you are a woman. And I have another one about which sectors are going to blow up next. Which sectors are we looking for at the altcoin market? Because it is coming, alt season is coming. Which sectors are going to blow up? I'm going to tell you which sectors to look at. I'm going to tell you which sectors are going to blow up. I'm going to give you some examples. And this is just a reminder how we called meme mania, how we called DeFi summer last year or 2 years or 3 years ago, how we called the AI mania. We called all these moves. This one is another prophecy video. We're going to call some moves. But of course, remember, as always,
hey guys, I'm Method NOONE. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Method NOONE.
Water. Okay, so that's what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Obviously, cryptocurrencies are following Bitcoin, so that pretty much gives you the down or upside movement. We do see some altcoins breaking out. We do see some things moving in the alt market. Let's have a look real quick at crypto bubbles, because then I really want to talk to you about something important. Let's go to crypto bubbles here, and I suggest you use crypto bubbles. And here we have some breakouts, okay? We are seeing altcoins move. These are my favorites. Let me just go to the top 100 here. And you can see comp. I actually talked about this in the upcoming video, hint, hint, and in my coaching. And you will see that we have some breakouts. And you'll notice a pattern here. And if you don't notice the pattern, don't worry. I'm going to tell you on Wednesday. But if you look at my favorites here, this is what I'm holding right here. This is just something I'm looking at. I'm not really betting the bank on this, but I do hold this because I do hold some meme coins and looking for breakouts. But look at Ben coin over here. We are doing pretty well. Now, how do you make money with cryptocurrencies? Because a lot of people, there's more than one way to make money with cryptocurrency, okay? One way is to actually hold the currencies. Just buy a cryptocurrency, just hold it, maybe dollar cost average over time, hold it in a few years. When you make a profit, you sell, you buy back when it goes low. It sounds more simple than what it is, by the way, but that's pretty much a way to make money with cryptocurrencies, to buy and hold. Yes? Great. Another way is to stake your cryptocurrency. So if, let's say, you buy Ethereum, let's say you're buying ADA, you can literally stake your cryptocurrency, meaning you lock up your cryptocurrency and you get rewarded for the time that you have locked up your cryptocurrency. This is because you're providing to the blockchain network, and it's another way of proof of work. It's just proof of stake. It's a different algorithm, okay? The other way you can actually make money in cryptocurrency is by adding liquidity. So you can add liquidity in pools. For example, let's say you add Ethereum and BNB, or Ethereum and something else. And basically, you get rewarded the profits from that, or some profits from that. There's different ways of making money with cryptocurrency, okay? Now, another way, of course, is to trade cryptocurrencies. You buy low, you sell high. Another way is arbitrage to make money with cryptocurrency. That's when you buy money on one exchange, but one exchange features it a little higher, so you make up the difference. You buy here, you sell there. That's called arbitrage. There's a whole bunch of ways to make money with cryptocurrency, but there's also a way that you can make cryptocurrency by lending out your crypto. So you buy crypto, you're holding it. What are you going to do with it? Why not make money from it? Which brings me to today's sponsor, okay? And this is a sponsored part of the live stream. It's going to be about 2 minutes, so just pay attention. You're going to like this, okay? So this brings me to my sponsor for today, Dexpool. Now, this is a sponsor. I haven't really deep dived into this yet, but I do want to deep dive into this. And this is the wrong site. Give me a second here. Always verify your links. So this is the sponsor of the site over here. Oh, look, welcome bonus, 100 XRP, so 0. No, I'm just kidding. So basically what Dexpool does, it lets you provide liquidity and make money from your cryptocurrency. Again, I haven't looked into this, but I do suggest, I am going to look into this because I am interested. I suggest you do the same, okay? But basically, let's say you want to provide liquidity. You can do it very easily with Dexpool.io. You go here to provide liquidity, and you can see here the different pairs, or the different places, you can add liquidity. So let's say Ethereum, you can add liquidity by adding Ethereum. You can do it with XRP, BNB, Shiba, and so on. So basically, you can add your cryptocurrency here and get rewards, let's say 0.1644% every 8 hours. Ethereum will give you a 0.1278% every 8 hours, and so on, okay? So basically you provide liquidity and you gain rewards. And basically this also can compound, so you can maximize your APY. Now this is a good way to make money from cryptocurrency, but personally I do like to keep my money. I do like to keep my cryptocurrency cryptocurrency. I was against BlockFi. I was against Celsius. I was against basically giving access to my cryptocurrency. But this is a decentralized way of doing it. This is done in a decentralized manner. And I haven't really looked at all the technicals yet, but I suggest you take a look at it. I'm going to be taking a look at it as well. So basically, that's what I wanted to show you. It's called Dexpool. The link is down below. You can click it, you can check it out, and do your own research on it. Give me a second. Okay. Should be about 2 minutes. So let's let's move on to the chat. Let's answer your questions. Oh, let's talk about XRP a little bit. Listen, I made a video the other day. I was a bit frustrated because there's a lot of influencers, a lot of XRP influencers spreading complete lies and falsifications about XRP. They're telling you it's going to go to 10,000, 35,000, and so on, and they're just lying. They're either lying or they actually believe what they're saying, but they've been fed these lies and ended up believing them. It's not going to go to $10,000 or $35,000. And even if it is, it's going to take a long time, and you're going to have a couple of bear markets before that. And I'm actually worried that people are going to get wrecked, okay? They're going to get wrecked again, be left holding the bags again. And I don't want to argue too much about it on this video. I don't really want to get into it in this live stream, but I do want to show you something real quick right here. If you go to my YouTube channel, give me 1 second right here. If you go to my YouTube channel, let it go here, right? And if you scroll down, this video right here, XRP investors watch out, XRP price prediction, make sure you watch this video. I'm not joking. Watch this video. And this video itself, sorry about that. And this video itself links another 2 videos right here and right here, as you can see. Watch these videos. It's also in the comments. Watch these videos if you want to do your own research, and stop giving me all this crap and all these things that you keep on hearing people talk about, and you're just quoting them without understanding them yourself, and you're just saying, you're an idiot, you're a moron, you're this, you're that, and you don't even understand what you're talking about. I address it in the videos, I address my thesis in those videos, and I also tell you why what you're quoting, what you're telling me is complete crap. That Swift, that Davos stuff, that it's designed to be $10,000, all that crap is being addressed in those videos. If you want to research and actually know the truth or hear another opinion, go ahead. I doubt you will, because most people look for biased information to confirm their bias and what they hope, okay? People search why carbs are not fattening instead of why carbs are not fattening, then why carbs are fattening. See, there's 3 sides to a coin: the heads, the tails, and the edge. You need to stand on the edge, look at all 3 sides. I was going to get more into it. I was going to make a longer video, but as I said, I have to go soon. I don't have much time. I want to answer your questions because I'm going to go buy a motorbike. So let's have a look at that said. Let's have a look at your questions. Let's see if you have any. Write your questions in the chat, because I will be answering them right now. Like this video while I drink some water, and I'll be right with you. All right. First up, Shah says, hey, handsome man, thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Is there any chance the camera quality looks very bright? No, that's my handsomeness shining. That's me illuminating, but let me just see if I can put that down a little bit. You might be right. So you were right. And that might mean my videos that you're going to see this week coming up pretty bright as well. But hey, it is what it is. Is that better, by the way? Do I look better? Am I still illuminating enough and shining, but without shining too much, so you have to wear sunglasses? Or maybe I could do this. Like, look. No, that will just shine my head. Okay. Anyway, fail joke. Paul, what do I think about 2,500 gold end of year? I do believe, Daryl, in gold reaching 2,500, even 3,000 some point, but I'm not sure if it's going to happen by the end of the year. Although it is possible, gold does tend to move slowly. I don't think it will get to 2,500 by the end of the year, but I do think it's quite possible, and I do think it's probable over the time frame of a few years that it will get to that level and even surpass that level. But remember, Nothing moves in a straight line. It always comes back down, so it's going to take more time, and gold does move slowly, okay? So keep that in mind. Shah says, I want to know which sector is that now. Please, on Wednesday, I will tell you the sectors and give you examples. You're going to love that video. And yes, I am doing that so I can get more views on the video. But you have time, don't worry. You have till the end of the week at least. Shah says, Layer AI is pumping hard from last week. Yes, I think Layer AI was a good call on this channel, and I'm proud of that call. And keep in mind, that was even a sponsored video. So no, not all sponsored videos go bad. Some of them actually do pretty well. Good morning, sir, and Crypto Factor family. What's up, Factor fam? Just be bullish, my man. I heard Pepe is coming out with an ecosystem called Proof of Pepe blockchain. I have not heard of it, Julio, but that would be pretty cool, man. I actually hold Pepe, and I think Pepe is going to do very well. I think Pepe coin has established itself as a meme coin in the industry, and I think it's going to challenge or take market share from Shiba Inu at some point. I'm not saying it's going to flip it. I'm just going to say it's going to challenge or at least take market share from that. It's about time that something did, and I think Pepe is going to be the one. We called Pepe on this channel right in the beginning. Everybody that listened made a shitload of money, and I really think that Pepe is going to run again, along with Shiba, along with Doge, and some new narrative in meme coin at some point. Any 5 mistakes in the bull run you made? Not intentionally, Shah. I made some mistakes, but not for the reasons. They were mistakes that I could not avoid. For example, I sold lower, but not because I thought the market was going to go lower. I actually called 15.6K. But I had to sell before that for the simple reason that I had to try and save my dad. He was fighting for his life. I managed not to save him. I didn't manage to save him, but I did try. So I did sell a lot of cryptocurrencies at the time when I wanted to be buying cryptocurrencies or not of. Anyway, it's a long story, but that was one mistake. But that was inevitable. I had to do it. Another mistake you could say is I haven't bought enough at the lows, which I did call, but that's because I couldn't, because again, I sold and I spent that money. So shit happens, right? I don't think I made any mistakes this bull run just because of pure experience. I made all my, you know this channel, you've seen my calls, they're all point on. I don't see any mistakes this bull run I've made. Surely I've made some in the last bull run, but not that many. James Mace Jr. says, will I be able to buy my girlfriend ice cream if I buy Ethereum every week until next year? Yes, you will, man. Insider. If for people that don't know that, that's an inside joke. I keep on saying that a lot of people don't listen. They can't afford to buy their girlfriend ice cream because they lose their shirt. And some Bitcoin maxi will buy them ice cream. But, no, I think Ethereum is a good play. I think it's good, but also accumulate Bitcoin. I'm not saying more or less in Ethereum, but please accumulate some Bitcoin as well. You will be surprised, and it is sort of a ticket to break even if shit goes wrong. So if you buy, I'll give you an example, $1,000 in Ethereum, $1,000 in meme coins, $1,000 in Solana, whatever, that's $3,000. If you put $3,000 as well in Bitcoin, at the very least, if everything doesn't work out, Bitcoin at some point will at least 2x. I mean, it's at 30K, all-time highs was 69K. If you believe it will at least meet that, then you've more than 2x, right? And you probably make more. So it's kind of like an insurance policy. Plus, remember, you get rich by buying altcoins, you get wealthy by accumulating Bitcoin. Does that make sense? Hit like button if you agree, if that makes sense. Hit the dislike if you don't agree, if that does not make sense. Do we have any more questions? Questions. Oh, some people made some wisecrack jokes about this boxing bag right here, telling me I can't punch, and you're here for the crypto information, not my boxing skills. And that was pretty funny, I understand. But you have to understand, when I punch the boxing bag, I'm sitting down, right? I'm sitting down. So how can I do technique sitting down? I'm not Master Ken showing you how to do wheelchair self-defense. All right, I used to kickbox, guys. I know how to fight. I know how to punch, for fuck's sake. What's wrong with you? But anyway, it doesn't really matter. Telling me I'm insecure and I'm trying to show insecurities. No. The reason this bag is here is because I have a gym inside the other room. But I wanted to start boxing again and getting some sort of cardio after I beat cancer, but my joints are not up for running or anything like that or heavy weights. So I put the bag here because I already have a thing up there where I had a pulley before I had my home gym. Now I have my home gym, but this is the only place I could temporarily put the bag until I bring some sort of guy to put the pull to drill holes and actually set it up. For now, it's going to be in the office. It's temporary. I don't know how long it's going to be here, but it's temporary. Until then, I might put some like pictures of people I don't like and influencers, and sort of do a Master Ken like. If you haven't seen Master Ken, you won't get that. But anyway, it doesn't matter. But that's why the boxing bag is there. It's not because I'm insecure. It's not because I'm trying to show something. It's because I'm trying to keep my health, make my health better after I went through cancer for the third time. And I need to get up my energy and become active, okay? My diet is going so-and-so, but at least I'm sort of exercising and my energy is sort of coming back. Any more questions? Any more questions? I don't see any more questions here. Okay, I love you guys. I really do. I'm gonna go see this motorbike I want to buy. See if I buy it. If I do buy it, I'll send you pictures. It's an old bike. Don't expect anything extravagant. As I said, most of my money is going into Bitcoin. Once that goes up, then I'll take this bike, leave it at my beach house, and buy another bike over here with Bitcoin profits. Love you all. Take care, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.